Alright, back in the shop here. So here's some new toys I got playing with here that probably won't be doing anything with, but I think you like them. So this here is a little mini blower. So there you go. Nothing like making some go-fast parts for your little bike. These were actually put on little small car motors. I was investigated before. So these were looking like a Toyota. Used them on Toyota old vehicle back in the 80s. They made these things. So these are made for a big motor. They also made some stuff like this for the Harley where they come up off the cone cover. Mangas have made them. They went like this. It was Eaton blowers. This one next year is actually more of a root style blower. So it's got a, these were made back in the 80s. That's what this one was I looked it up. So it's a 48 CFM blower. That's a Fageol, whatever you say. Max 15 is the name of it. So it takes just a pulley on here. Figure a drive to work on. So it's a 2-lobe or a 3-lobe. Looks like a 2-lobe, I'm guessing. But no, that's a 3, I think. That's a real roots blower. It's not a 2-lobe, it's a 3. Guessing it's 3. Let's see here. Hard to tell. Can't turn it. Oh, there it is. All right. How many do you count? 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. If you don't mark it, you don't know, right? Looks like a 3-lober to me. Okay, that's marked. Yeah, that's how big it is. It's pretty big. So 1, 2. It is a 3-lobe. 3. And the other one looks like it's probably the same 3. Yep, same thing. It's a 3 and a 3. So it's like a GMC roots blower, just a small version of it. Still a pretty big piece. Yeah, where's a tape measure around this place? I got my new hat too. Embroidery. Hot off the press. A lot better than stickers. Alright, what do we got here? So this thing is 14 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 4 inches thick. It looks like the blower itself is probably 8.5-inch long blades would be a guess. Pretty good length. And how far they go back in there. How far back to go in there? Is the light on? No light. There. I can see back in there. Oh, there's a wall back in there. Yeah, this blades are only width of the black part. That's probably why it's coated. It's got a coating on it for protection, I'm sure. Hard anodized. 6.5 inches blade length. So, I guess you have oil that's right there. That's what's been leaking out of it, I guess, because it keeps getting dirty. So, yeah. So, do a go fast bike. There you go. KF is the name. Yeah. Looks good. I was going to put it on a bike. I figure 120-inch Harley motor would be just fine. I got my Harman motor. I was thinking about putting it on that, but instead of running turbos, run a roots blower on it. Put it in the front of the frame. Drive it off a big 3-inch belt drive. Coming up. Drive that sucker. So, anyway, that's one of the things there I was looking at. So, I don't know. Something I found in buried in all my racing store stuff. Figure people like looking at weird stuff. That's definitely weird stuff. There's a bunch of numbers right here too. Date code, May 85 would be my guess. Makes sense. They made them in the 80s. So, yeah. Somewhere had a smaller version of one of them too, but I couldn't find it. It's the big one. Yeah. Definitely a big piece. Take a big motor, take that. Being a roots blower, you can make good boost. Small enough motor, you can put 15 pounds over that thing, I bet. Oh well, there you go. Something weird.